Welcome to video 3, where we are going to learn how to read the JSON object from a SQL database, but we do this via command line. To do this, we need to run this package in command line. The first thing we require is the object ID of this package, which you can find out by going to package properties. So in this scenario, it is 7797. Open up command line and you will see the executable is aetlcl.exe. You need to call this executable, and the first argument that you will pass is the object ID, which was 7797. Now if I will press enter, it will simply run this exact object in the background, but from command line. Okay, now we wish to pass the value of event ID, which is over here, through command line. Now to do this, we take command line parameters, okay, and this becomes our starting point. We are going to pass the value of event ID, which is over here. Okay, now if we see our structure back again, the first argument that we pass is always the object ID. The next thing that we wish to pass is the event ID. So this will become object number 2. Click on OK, click on save. Just for reference, I'm removing this, so that means the entire package is going to run from command line. Save this and let's pass on. Okay, so this is the way that we pass the items through command line, and we run a package through command line. Oof.